Ako.
Grabe, kinikilig ako kasi pinapanood ko lang kayo ng bata ako.
No. Oo nga,
Part-
malapit na ako mapuyat, Gretchen, mag-aalas 10 na.
Anong favorite memory mo from Wise Peak?
Well, okay. Marami akong magagandang memories sa Wise Peak. But I have to admit, ginugel ko yung history ng Wise Peak kasi 2004 pa eh.
Matagal na,
Matagal
no?
na. But what I do remember, Gretchen, is that on this day, I met a very good person 25 years ago, si Father Tito Kaluwag. I met him on 15th anniversary nung EDSA Revolution, and then he had a dream. And then in 2004, nag-umpisa yung Wise Peak
Wow.
with Miss Karen Davila and then Bianca Gonzalez.
So this was part of a vision, Father Tito.
Yes,
Father Tito,
Pads, ayan.
makita natin, Father Tito, ito po ay isang vision na ibinigay sa inyo ng Panginoon. Yung Wise Peak. Kaya pala talagang yung